Let me check if I am live. Give me a minute. Twitch. Twitch. I don't know if this is sharing or not. Stop recording. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about Angular fundamentals. What are the next steps and tools and techniques? In the last video we covered what is Angular, what are its concepts. Today we'll deep dive into the fundamentals. Hello, my name is Ryan and welcome to my stream. Next steps, tools and techniques. After you understand the basic Angular building blocks, you can learn more about the features and tools that can help you develop and deliver Angular applications. Walk through the Tour of Heroes tutorial to get a feel of how to fit the basic building blocks together to create a well-designed application. Check out the glossary to understand Angular's specific terms and usage. Use the documentation to learn how key features in more depth according to your stage of development and areas of interest. Application architecture. The main concept section located in the table of content contains several topics that explain how to connect the application data into your components to your page display templates to create a complete interactive application. The routing and navigation guide provides in-depth information on how to construct applications that allow a user to navigate to different views within your single page application. The dependency injection guide provides in-depth information on how to construct an application such that each component class can acquire the service and object it needs to perform its function. Responsive programming. The template syntax and related topics contain details about how to display your component data when you want it within a view, and how to collect input from users that can respond to lifecycle hooks. Tap into the key moment in the life cycle of a component from its creation to its destruction. Observability, event processing. Then you have Angular elements. You have forms, animations. Forms support complex data entry scenarios with HTML-based input validation. Animations, like use Angular animation library to animate component behavior without deep knowledge of animation techniques or CSS. Then you have client-side interaction. Angular provides a framework for single-page application that most of logic and data resides on. HTTP communication with the server to get data, save data, and invoke server-side actions with an HTTP client. Server-side rendering, Angular universal general statistics, and so on. Support for developer cycle. CLI command refers to the Angular CLI is a command line tool that you use to create projects, general compilations, testing platform deployment scenarios. File structures and configuration and dependencies, workspace and file structure. Then you have extending Angular. Angular libraries can be extended to learn more use of creating reusable libraries, semantics, CLI builders, etc. Okay. It has a new website, but I think it's more on Angular 19. There are signals, components, template, directive, all of these. I need more. Let us now go to the LinkedIn post of Angular fundamentals by Swapnil Pisat. What is Angular? Angular is a TypeScript-based open source framework for building client-side web applications. Since TypeScript is a subset of JavaScript, let us first understand JavaScript briefly. I don't take pause in between, that is why it's so fast. JavaScript runs on client side of the web, which can be used to design or program how the web page behaves on the occurrence of an event. Typically, JavaScript is used to interface interactions, slideshows, and other interactive components. JavaScript evolves quickly and has also been server-side programming like Node.js game development, etc. Since jQuery has no real structure, the development is all free. Same like React. Angular has a lot of structure in it. Then features, there are 4 features which I see. One is ES6 and TypeScript support. Then you have speed and performance, modular, supports mobile, tablets, etc. Cross-driven platform, then productivity. Angular 12 first app. This was very old, I think. Yeah. I think that's it for today. Thank you for